Hello everyone, I'm Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. And today we have not one, not two, but three members in Spotlight. We have Neeta, Dhruv and Nishma, a family of three members in different BNI chapters, with Neeta being in BNI in the Insomniacs chapter for 11 years plus, more than 11 years in the BNI family. And Dhruv being a member of Rising Phoenix for over 7.5 years, and Nishma, the newborn starlight with BNI Emperors, just over 4 months. So let's get talking to this lovely family and hear more about their journey here in BNI. Hello, Thakkar family. How are you all doing today?
Hi, Rakhi. How are you?
Good. How are
Very
you?
good. How are you?
Good, good. We have the most longest standing member from Neeta to Dhruv, and now the newest baby, Nishma. So happy to have you all here.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you. So before we get started about the questions, I want to actually tell Neeta to get talking about the company, and then we'll get all of you talking about your BNI experience. So Neeta, why don't you tell us about the company that you all represent and the category of business it's a part of?
My name is Neeta Thakkar. I represent Express Computers. We are into manufacturing of printer toners and cartridges, where you save 40 to 50% of the cost on printings. These are two pillars next to me, sitting next to me, and they can talk more about the company also.
Excellent. And you are a part of the Insomniacs chapter.
Yes, I am. I'm 11 years now in Insomniacs.
Congratulations, congratulations. How about yourself, Dhruv? Tell us.
So I'm Dhruv Thakkar, and I've been a part of Rising Phoenix for about 8 years, and I've been with Express Computers for about 12 years. And it's been a long, interesting journey.
Amazing. And Nishma?
My name is Nishma Thakkar, and I'm a part of Emperor's chapter. It is a fairly new chapter. It's just been around almost 6 months to my chapter. So yes, I have been enjoying my BNI journey, and I have been in Express for almost 1.5 years now. So I'm enjoying my Express journey as well.
That's amazing. How has it been like being a part of the core team, Nishma?
The experience is actually very different because I have seen both Mom and Dhruv, going to BNI and seeing how an existing chapter works. But the journey when it came to a core group chapter was a very different, because you're finding there are challenges that you're facing on almost weekly basis, and then how to come up with it and how to find solutions, and then finally launching in person, and that too during COVID was a different experience altogether. I mean, it is a different experience than an in-person and a fully fleshed running chapter.
Of course, that's totally agreeable on that. So my next question is for any of you all, if you want to answer, this is more about the business. Given that we are in these very interesting times, tell us, how did your business get impacted, and how did BNI help you with all of that?
Well, at the beginning of 2020, of course, when COVID hit, everyone's business was affected, but we got safeguarded because we also have a lot of clients in the hospital sector. So in fact, we were quite busy delivering to them. And at the same time, we also started supplying a lot of home printers. So a lot of BNI members who ordered, who got printers at their homes, and got them toners delivered, and who were all working from home. So yeah, BNI was helpful because that brought us a network of people that we could approach immediately with this new solution that we were providing.
That's amazing. People discover different verticals, and definitely I think these interesting times have taught us a lot. My next question is for you, Neeta. I mean, you've been the longest. I mean, we see a lot of long-standing members, and of course, everybody knows you in the BNI fraternity. So you started your journey more than 11 years ago, and you've come such a long way. Tell us any of the highlights that, any memories that have been with you so far, and what keeps you motivated and, renewing year after year with BNI?
Actually, joining BNI was the best decision which I made. I'm not a person who could speak. I'm a very shy person. So definitely this was the best decision which I made. And standing in front of people and talking is not what I would have ever done if I would have not joined BNI. There were people like Amit Vardhan, Rajesh Mirchandani, Mohan George, who used to really help me to, mentor me every week by week to, talk, how to, do network. And yes, it really helped me a lot. Soon with time, BNI became my extended family also, where I got a lot of support and it taught me a lot of things. What keeps me motivated in the content learning is connections. I have made a lot of connections in this year. So yes, this has supported me a lot, even in the COVID time, as well as, today or whenever.
And I totally agree with you on that one. How about yourself, Dhruv? 7 years plus. Any memories you would like to share with the audience?
BNI has been a very long and very good journey, I would say. It took me a few years to join after Mom. I remember the first time both of us went to visit Insomniacs in Wafi, and Mom removed her checkbook. She said, "I'm joining," and I said, "I'm not doing it because I can't wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, get ready, and come for a meeting at 6:30." But soon I started seeing the benefits that our company received, not only in terms of business, but it was a lot of personal growth. Like Mom said, she was quite a shy person. She wouldn't want to speak in front of a group of people, like we say. It can be quite daunting. And I saw the change in her. I saw the change in the numbers in our business. So I thought it only made sense to get in and get going.
That's amazing that you actually answered my next question, which was your biggest learnings. I mean, skills and definitely the lifelong learning that BNI imparts as one of his core values is very important, and it teaches a lot of things to many members, even myself, I would say. But again, my next question is for Neeta and Dhruv. I mean, you guys are part of such big chapters, Rising Phoenix and Insomniacs. Any tips you would like to share with the members? I mean, even the average chapter size is now 40 as we speak today. So any tips you would like to share with the audience out here? How are you making the most out of your BNI experience being part of such big chapters?
Well, I can proudly say that I'm a part of the BNI Insomex, not only for the professional growth, but I also gained and also had many friends, and now they are like families. That's where building relationship plays a major role, I believe.
That's amazing. Anything you would like to add, Dhruv?
I think, see, our chapter, when I joined the chapter, we were at about, I think that's when we hit 50.
Yeah.
And we grew on from there. And one thing I've realized that it's all about consistency and doing the right thing again and again and again. And, being patient and trying to achieve what you've set out the goal for.
Definitely. My next question is for all of you. I mean, in these interesting times, BNI has come out with a lot of different systems and tools. Of course, we do have BNI Connect, which has been there for a while now. But besides that, we have BNI University, which is now BNI Business Builder. We've had the Booster series, which has been going on since last year. We have the podcast, which people always talk about. Any tools, any tips that you can share with the audience, which has helped you become better BNI members? Let's start with Nishma. You're fairly new, and I'm sure you must be learning a lot. What do you use, and what can you share with the audience out here that has helped you become a better member?
Well, the answer to this question will be that, as you mentioned, that yes, I am in a chapter which is fairly new. But before I answer or say any tips and tricks that I have been learning, I would want to take this opportunity first and thank three people. One is Mr. BJ, second is Mrs. Anuradha, and third is Mrs. Himali Shah. for trusting in me and giving me this opportunity. To be very frank, I was also not a morning person. So I was a little hesitant to join BNI and how will I wake up and all that. But when I saw Dhruv and Mom constantly, gaining not just only on professional front, but also on personal level, I was like, this is something which I want in my life. So therefore, I would want to thank them. And also because they did give me the opportunity to be the ST for the launch chapter, which helped me a lot, which also opened my doors to a lot of trainings. Like you mentioned, we have Business Builder. Just yesterday, we had a training where I learned, if you set a goal, what are the mechanisms, how to work those mechanisms to work towards the goal that you've set, which, it is not, these learnings are not only for the chapters that you build, but same learnings can be implemented in your personal as well as professional lives. You just have to tweak it a little and then work that out into your lives, be it professionally or personally. So these are certain things that I have been learning around. And I also believe that each and every core value that BNI has stated plays some or the other part in your life, not just in the chapters, but also when you're talking or within your house, in any relationship, those particular core values actually play a really important role in a normal lifestyle also.
Absolutely, absolutely. What about yourselves, Dhruv and Neeta? Any tools, any tips you all are using, which you can share with the audience?
I feel the power of networking lies in how well they know you, how much they trust you, how much they gain from having you in the network, how frequently you communicate with them, and how many other powerful people are there in your network. So I believe BNI network is the best which I have been in, and I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Anything you would like to add, Dhruv?
Yeah, I think for SMEs especially, like BNI can be a great tool to grow your business, because this is one place you get to meet so many people who are trying to help you and you try to help them back. And you're building, like we say, a sales team, which is not very easy for a SME to build on their own. Someone who's out there trying to refer you, trying to sell your business and trying to help you. I mean, it's a very good platform to be on.
That's great. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Dhruv. My final question for all of you is, a lot of people are visiting chapters. A lot of people are newly joining chapters. Any tips or any advice you would like to share? Anything, if they're thinking of becoming members or if they're thinking of taking roles, what would your last few words be for any of them?
I would like to say for all who are reading or listening to this, that trust in the process of BNI. It's all about keeping patience and not to forget the VCP. More visible, the more you are visible, the more your credibility, and you build and more profit you gain in both professional as well as personal life. So I believe VCP is much more important in life.
Absolutely. Any tips or advice you would like to share, Dhruv?
No, she said it right. I mean, VCP is one of the first things that you learn in BNI. It's a game of patience. And like she said, you have to trust the process, have patience. BNI definitely helps all businesses. It's just about how much are you willing to give in as well? How many one-to-ones, how many... I mean, I've told people a lot in the past that when people said BNI didn't work for me, I said, you got to check what you've done that you can change for it to work for you. Because I personally feel BNI can work for everyone. And VCP clearly shows you that visibility, credibility leads to profitability. And to reach the profitability stage, you need patience and you need to give in time. Look at us, it's been almost 12, 8, and now we've got a member who's been here and who's going to have a long journey as well. So I think just have faith, have patience, and BNI will definitely work for you.
And just adding to what he said, it also depends on the attitude you are in with. If it is a positive attitude you're working, if you really want it, it will happen for you. But if you don't want it and you just come because someone's asked you to come, it's not going to work for you, be it BNI or any other platform that you get. So it also depends the attitude that you're coming and holding that position with. So it's upon individual how they take it and how they want to deal with it.
Absolutely. My last question, I have another question as a surprise. We see a lot of power couples. We see a lot of family members in different chapters, and you are represented in 3 chapters. What would your tip or advice be? Like supposing there's somebody who has 1 member in 1 chapter and they're really thinking, should I put my spouse in another chapter? What do you think? What would your tip or advice be for them if they're considering, should I put my partner or should I put my sibling in BNI if only I'm there? What do you think? What would you tell them?
Yeah, I mean, look at us. Like,
We are a live
I think
example.
us, and we know of so many other members who are also very good friends now, who have either partners or siblings or couples who are in different chapters. And it's just, you get to grow your network here. You get to meet so many more people trying to help you, and you build a network. I mean, it's not like everyone can refer you or everyone can get you business, but it's just about knowing so many people, and you don't know what connections you make where and when they can help you or you can help them. And it's a no-brainer. I mean, the more number of chapters you can get into, it's always better.
And adding to what Dhruv just said, because see, every individual has their own pros and cons, and they can bring their own taste to the table. It's not necessary that all 3 will work in the same mechanism. Everybody has their own ways of working as well. So you might, because if you're in different chapters, your network will grow differently because your interests, your likes, your dislikes are different to the other person who is already a member in the chapter. So obviously your network grows, and you also bring something new to the table because you are an individual yourself.
Also, because you meet week by week, every week you are into different people. So if Dhruv is meeting 50 plus people, I'm meeting 70 plus people, she's meeting 25 plus people. So definitely, more people come to know about you, about your business, and that relationship definitely brings in a lot of business and a lot of other things. As I said, they become like family.
Plus, there's a commonality between all 3 of you. You speak the language of BNI. Of course, you'll be like, okay, I understand this. I know business builder and all of that. So I'm sure even that's a lot of discussion which happens otherwise as well, right?
That's true.
In fact, when we are together, we most of them, talk about BNI. So when other friends are saying, okay, we know you are in BNI.
That's a lot.
It's very good to see the family being together in BNI, and I see a lot of success with you guys anyways. So here's me wishing all of you and all your respective chapters more success and more growth, not only to your BNI and your membership, but also to your business. So all the best and keep it going.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.